After a day in the parks, we were ready for a great meal, so we headed to Le Chefs de France. We've been to this restaurant several times, and every single time we've had a great experience. The food has always been great, the service has always been spectacular, and so we find ourselves just coming back here over and over again. The French onion soup here is so good, I've actually stopped ordering it at other places because nothing else compares. Two of my favorites from years gone by were the braised beef and the onion and bacon tart, which sadly, they don't have anymore. And one of my favorite things about this restaurant is the bread. It's flaky and crunchy on the outside, warm and soft on the inside. It's just amazing. Like the bread they describe in the movie Ratatouille.
How do you tell a good bread is without tasting it? Not the smell, not the look, but the sound, the crust. Listen. Oh, a symphony of crackle. Only great bread sound this way.
Only thing left to do now is to decide what to eat.
Bad luck, bad day. What should I do? Bad luck, bad day. What should I do?
I got a bowl of French onion soup. I just can't resist it. It's big, it's filling, it's amazing. We wound up splitting this chicken since we'd already eaten at the food and wine booths, and it wound up being amazing. And of course, to finish, my wife ordered a creme brulee. The meal was amazing, and I will definitely be coming back again. That's going to do it for us. Thanks for watching. Take care, y'all.